Minister, I welcome the opportunity to speak on this bill, which is very important and indeed long overdue. In terms of the bill's provision for an increase in the mandatory retirement age for uniformed public servants, including members of An Garda Síochána, prison officers and the Defence Forces from 60 to 62 years of age, that is certainly very welcome. What we need to address, however, is the root causes as to why so many of our Gardaí are leaving. We know that morale is at rock bottom and that the Commissioner does not have a favourable reputation among the rank and file, and this is profoundly a serious matter. With respect to the sections of the bill, particularly Part 3 of the amendments to the Immigration Act 2003, this part will amend the Immigration Act 2003 to increase carrier liability fines of €5,000, where they allow someone to board a plane coming into the state without proper documentation. And what can I say here other than that this is certainly welcome, but why has this common sense approach taken so long? And, you know, it should have been in place long ago, I feel, and it was entirely foreseeable that there would be issues there. We did not need the EU Asylum Pact for this particular step, really. I have, as you know, been to the forefront in pushing for measures of this very kind. Indeed, I have had a number of parliamentary questions and interventions on these issues going back a couple of years now. And I know, Minister, you recently informed me in one such reply that there have been 3,040 doorstep operations by the Border Management Unit and the Garda National Immigration Bureau at Dublin Airport up to the end of May, with nearly 800 last month alone. Again, that is certainly welcome, but why did it take a crisis in terms of unsustainable numbers coming in and illegal people coming in who shouldn't have been here before action could be taken? There must be a permanent and a significant ramping up of immigration controls. We simply have to send the signal out loud and clear that the days of our cherished country being taken as an international soft touch are over. We also need to significantly ramp up the state's limited capacity for the detention of people who have been refused leave to land at Dublin Airport. And this is something that I have been raising in parliamentary questions since last August. At that point, Minister, you informed me that there is a facility at the airport which has been operational since March 2022. However, as I understand it, Gardaí actually only have capacity to house up to 4 passengers. Now, I would like clarity on that, and certainly there needs to be more work done to increase capacity if that is true and if that's the case. The measures being introduced today are better late than ever, but they remain the very tip of the iceberg in terms of what really needs to happen and what needs to be done with respect to vigorous and robust deterrence measures around illegal immigration. Garv Magat.